Today I'm going to show you how to prepare stuffed peppers. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Well, tomorrow I have my beautiful parents coming for lunch, and I thank God every time I'm able to say those words. And as a starter, I'm going to prepare stuffed peppers. Delicious, really simple to prepare. Now let's get started. I was at the supermarket this morning, and the only peppers that would stand up like this were the green ones. So I purchased 6 green peppers. Already cleaned 5 of them. I'm going to show you how I clean them. I'm just going about approximately ½ an inch in. I'm just going to cut down. I'm just going to cut around the core. This way it'll come out much easier. Out it comes. I'm going to clean the cap. I want to keep it intact because I want it to be the little lid once my peppers are stuffed. I'm just going to cut around it. Out the core comes. And there we go. Look how beautiful. That's going to be the little lid for my presentation. And there we have it. With some olive oil, I'm just going to coat the inside and the outside of the peppers. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My peppers have been coated in olive oil inside and out in the oven for 20 minutes. This recipe calls for 8 small hot Italian sausages. I'm removing the sausages from the casing. The non-stick pan here, I've heated it up. I'm going to add my hot sausages, and I'm going to saute them until they're golden brown. I'm just going to break up the sausages a little bit while they're frying. It's browning beautifully. Just a couple more minutes and it will be ready. Golden brown. I'm going to turn off my stove, and with a strainer I'm just going to pick up the meat and place it in my bowl to cool. You don't want any of the fat. Using this wonderful drippings from the meat, we're going to saute 1 chopped sweet onion. The onions have sauteed beautifully. Now to the onions I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped cremini mushrooms, kosher salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Everything saute until the mushrooms have released all their water. Add 1 cup of chopped spinach. I'm just going to cook it for a few minutes until it wilts down. Spinach has wilted beautifully. 2 chopped garlic cloves. Okay, now that I can smell the garlic, I know it's cooked. I'm going to add 2½ cups of passata. We're going to season again with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'll check it again later. Now we're just going to let it simmer for 20 minutes. It's ready. We're going to turn off the stove and we're going to let it cool for a little bit. It's been 20 minutes. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh basil from my garden. A nice mix. It's time to assemble the filling for the peppers. With the sausage meat in my bowl, 2 cups of cooked arborio rice. Now I stopped cooking it 4 minutes before the instructions on the package because it'll finish cooking in the oven. Just give this a nice mix. Now we're going to add the tomato mixture. Want it mixed thoroughly and evenly. It would be a really good time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just going to drain each and every one of them because we don't want this excess water. See how much water? You don't want this water inside your peppers. Started stuffing my peppers. This brings me right back to my childhood when my parents were making the stuffed peppers. going to leave the caps here because they're going to be the little stands for my stuffed peppers, and in the oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to say it if you can only smell my kitchen. Now I'm going to top it off with a little bit of just a sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to top it off with some mozzarella cheese. Back in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the cheese has melted and got all nice and gooey, you know it's ready. My stuffed peppers are ready. I'm going to let them cool down for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to taste one for you. How easy were they to prepare? The little tops, I'm using them as stands for the peppers. How adorable is that? I'm right back in my parents' kitchen as a young girl watching them prepare stuffed peppers. This is what we will be preparing today. I can't wait, I have to taste it for you. Italian comfort food. Absolutely delicious. You must try this for your next dinner party. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Oh my goodness. Oh, so good.